Handling anger in a healthy way. Not all anger is the same. Did you know that there are healthy and unhealthy ways to manage your anger? Sometimes it's good and right to get mad at something. Positive change can come from being angry at injustice or inequality. Righteous or justified anger from being mistreated can be a great motivator for change. But if you've had bad experiences of anger, say lousy role models in your childhood, you might only see anger as destructive and scary. But learning anger management so you can be in control of angry feelings can have a positive effect on your relationships. Here are some expert strategies to help you manage your anger. 1. Know what you're dealing with. Understanding why you're angry and where it's coming from is key. Maybe you're stressed and grumpy, fatigued or unwell. Or perhaps the reason for your anger is apparent. Once you understand your anger and its sources, you can start to deal with it. 2. Write it down. Turning your feelings into words is a powerful act. Just write whatever comes into your head, even if it doesn't make sense. The act of writing down your thoughts stops them from running in circles in your head and gets them down on paper. Chances are, they might not even seem so big or insurmountable. You might even begin to see patterns so you can understand what triggers your angry feelings. 3. Take some action. Once you know what's making you angry, you can plan workarounds for it. Be aware of your triggers and minimize them. That can mean making sure you eat properly to avoid blood sugar crises, get enough sleep, and exercise and take time for self-care. You won't be able to avoid being angry sometimes, but you can take control so you're not vulnerable to anger and frustration. 4. Don't brood. Brooding on the cause of your anger is actively unhelpful. It keeps you stuck in those negative feelings, keeps you stuck in victim mode, and keeps you powerless. Brooding is also bad for your blood pressure and keeps you stewing in adrenaline and cortisol, the fight-or-flight stress hormones, which are excellent in an emergency, but not so great to have all the time. 5. Don't rehash your anger. Talking over your problems can be helpful if you share with a trusted friend, but be careful to keep it focused, or you might end up rehashing your troubles over and over again. Like brooding, complaining can keep you from moving forward and finding solutions to your problems.